Okay, this is your 48-hour forecast for Central PA. That's State College, Williamsport, Sunbury, Harrisburg, Lancaster, Wellsboro, up that way. And next update will be on Sunday the 16th. Okay, for reference, here's State College, here's Williamsport, here's Sunbury, Selinsgrove, Harrisburg, Lancaster, Lebanon's in here. Just so you have a general idea, York, and out this way is Chambersburg. Just so you have a general idea where everything is at when we do this map. Surface temperatures Friday afternoon, not all that too bad. Let's see here, we get this to late this afternoon. You can see temperatures have climbed into the 50s for the most part. A few areas to the north and west get up into the 60s, but there's kind of a flow coming in off the ocean a little bit, which is keeping the temperatures down a little bit. As we go through the nighttime hours, here's around 8 o'clock this evening. You can see temperatures are still basically in the 50s, a couple of 40s out there, but basically still 50s then. And then around midnight, you see temperatures are dropping off to the low mid 40s, even down here towards Lancaster. It can get down to 39. Then, as we get towards the morning hours, 7 a.m., it bottoms out in mid 30s to the north, 40s down the river valley here. So that's where you got that. Now, we do have some wind we need to talk about, especially with this cold front coming through. Now, this is early morning tomorrow morning. We don't have too many wind gust problems, but as we move during the day, as we get towards 8 o'clock in the evening on Saturday night, these greens are wind gusts into the 30s, and they're ahead of a front. And so, that's going to bring some heavier rains to the area. With the clouds and a few sprinkles around, Saturday afternoon's temperatures basically upper 40s to mid 50s. And then as we go through the nighttime hours, they don't really get much better. This takes you to around 10 o'clock. They're in the 40s for the most part. And then as we get to around midnight, they don't, I don't see any 30s out there, but basically low to mid 40s. And then you can see the wind change direction. You can see the warmer temperatures coming up out of the south by 4 a.m. And then by Sunday morning around 7 a.m., it's actually warmed up. You can see some temperatures here, upper 50s to 60s in these yellow areas. Elsewhere, temperatures are in the mid 50s. But we do have a little precipitation going on in the form of showers Sunday morning early. It's not a great day to be outside. And winds at this time are beginning to pick up. Now, there's your wind gust around 7 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. You can see some areas where it's into the 40s, especially the northern part of the state could be close to 50-mile-an-hour wind gust. Elsewhere in between lower 40s. So it's pretty strong winds ahead of this front. And we move this ahead Sunday around 9 a.m. Here's 10. Here's 11 a.m. Here's noon. And you can see how strong the winds are up ahead of it. You can see some 50s out here, wind gust just ahead of the front. And if I move this ahead a little bit, there's your front. And there it's going across. And behind it, the winds drop off dramatically. And these winds are coming out of the south. So they're going to feed some moisture into this front as it comes. And then there you go. You got a little line starting to get itself together here early afternoon on Sunday. And you can see it right there. There's some heavier rains mixed in with this front. There could even be a rumble of thunder there. And you can see this takes it out to around 4 in the afternoon, and it's not quite to Harrisburg yet, but and Williamsport, but it's getting there. And you can see this is a real strong line coming through here. And when we go back to the winds, you can see exactly where the front is at. See ahead of it, winds are 40, 50 mile an hour, and behind it they drop off. So that's to keep that in mind. And then eventually this will move off to the east late in the day. This is around 6 o'clock. A couple of heavier showers are left behind it, but then it kind of moves away. And you can still see 8 o'clock at night down this way below Lancaster. There could be some stronger rain showers there. And then behind it, it's just a couple of showers, which will eventually turn into flurries late at night, Monday night. And like I said, the winds will die down. Temperatures will drop a little bit as the front goes by. and you can start to see the colder air seeping in around 2 o'clock in the morning, Sunday night into Monday, where it's below freezing up here towards Bradford and out ahead of it here by Lancaster, Williamsport, and out that way, temperatures are in the 40s. So they'll be dropping overnight and into the morning hours on Monday. All right, I'll update this on Sunday. Everybody take care.